there through blizzards and darkness, protecting the egg while slowly losing weight. Thousands of penguin dads huddle together in massive groups, taking turns standing on the outside of the freezing winds while others move to the warmer center. It's like a giant living shield of fathers protecting the next generation. When the egg finally hatches, the father has been fasting for about *2 months. Yet somehow, he's still ready to care for the tiny chick until the mother finally returns. Seahorses. The dad that gets pregnant. Most species in the animal kingdom follow the same pattern. Mothers carry the babies. But seahorses flip the script entirely. In seahorse families, the dad gets pregnant. During mating, the female deposits dozens or even hundreds of eggs into a special pouch on the male's belly. Inside that pouch, the male fertilizes the eggs and carries them like a living incubator. His body controls the temperature, oxygen, and even salt levels to keep the developing babies safe. Weeks later, something incredible happens. The father goes into labor. His body contracts again and again, pushing out hundreds of tiny baby seahorses into the ocean. It can look like a burst of living confetti underwater. Within minutes, the babies drift away to survive on their own. And the exhausted father? He may be pregnant again within hours. Octopus moms. The ultimate sacrifice. If there were an award for the most extreme parent in the ocean, the octopus might win it. After laying thousands of delicate eggs, an octopus mother begins a long, exhausting watch. She carefully attaches the eggs to the roof of a rocky cave or coral shelter. Then she stays there to guard them. Day after day, week after week, sometimes for months. She gently cleans the eggs with her arms and blows water over them to keep them oxygenated. She protects them from predators. But during all this time, she does something shocking. She stops eating completely. The mother octopus refuses to leave the eggs even to hunt. Slowly, her body grows weaker and weaker. By the time the eggs finally hatch, she is exhausted and starving. And shortly after her babies enter the ocean, the mother dies. Poison dart frogs. Jungle taxi drivers. Poison dart frogs are tiny. Some are barely bigger than a coin. But their parenting skills are surprisingly advanced. After eggs hatch on the rainforest floor, the father performs one of the most unusual baby transport services in nature. He lets the tiny tadpoles climb onto his back. Then he carries them through the jungle. But he doesn't move them all at once. Instead, he carries them one at a time traveling through the rainforest until he finds a safe place for each one. Often this place is a tiny pool of water trapped in the leaves of a plant high above the ground. Once the tadpole is placed in its new mini pond, the father returns to collect another baby. Some frog fathers repeat this journey many times until every single tadpole has a safe nursery. And in certain species, the mother returns later to lay unfertilized eggs inside the tiny pool. Those eggs become food for the growing tadpoles. It's like a carefully planned daycare system hidden in the rainforest. Koalas. A very strange first meal. Baby koalas, called joeys, start life extremely tiny. When they're born, they crawl into their mother's pouch where they continue developing. But eventually, the joey must begin eating eucalyptus leaves. Eucalyptus is incredibly toxic and difficult to digest. Most animals can't eat it at all. Koalas survive because their stomachs contain special bacteria that break down the toxins. But baby koalas don't have those bacteria yet. So the mother provides them in a very unusual way. She produces a substance called pap*, which is a soft form of partially digested fecal matter. The joey eats it. This strange meal transfers the bacteria needed to digest eucalyptus leaves safely. It may sound gross to us, but without it, the baby koala wouldn't survive. Sometimes nature's solutions aren't pretty, but they work. Sand tiger sharks, the most brutal sibling rivalry. Most parents protect their babies. But in the ocean, survival can start before birth. Sand tiger sharks produce several embryos inside the womb. At first, everything seems normal. But soon, the largest embryo develops teeth and begins attacking its siblings. One by one, it eats them. This process is called intrauterine cannibalism. By the time the pregnancy ends, only 1 or 2 powerful shark pups remain. The strongest survivors are born already large, strong, and ready to hunt. It's one of the most brutal parenting strategies in nature. But it ensures that only the toughest offspring enter the ocean. Flamingos. The pink milk mystery flamingos are famous for their bright pink feathers and elegant appearance. But their parenting behavior hides a surprising secret. Both flamingo parents produce something called crop milk. Unlike mammal milk, this substance is produced in the bird's digestive tract. When the chick is hungry, the parent regurgitates this rich red liquid into the baby's mouth. Crop milk is packed with fat, protein, and nutrients. It's so rich that feeding their chicks can temporarily drain color from the parent's feathers. Slowly, as the chick grows stronger, it begins eating on its own. But in those early weeks, this strange pink milk is essential for survival. The animal kingdom proves one thing again and again. There is no single way to be a good parent. Some parents endure freezing storms for months. Some sacrifice their lives for their eggs. Some carry babies across the rainforest, or even give birth themselves. And sometimes, the strangest parenting strategies are exactly what nature needs. Because in the wild, raising the next generation isn't just about love. It's about survival. And evolution has created some truly unbelievable ways to make sure life continues.